Welcome back, Loc Stars. It's the Loc Doctress back with another episode. For today's lock install session, Andy requested removal of existing lock extensions and replacement with a smaller size. More and more men are opting for lock extensions and installs with Macon styles because of how we're able to achieve an undetectable, natural look the first time. So first, I'm cutting all the extensions off and leaving out just enough hair so that it's long enough for the new attachment. This client had a lot of new growth and didn't get a recent interlock on his roots, so this really helped out with retaining length and also didn't require any locks to be combed out. I retained at least 2 inches of his natural hair all around. I'm doing a coil twist attachment with crochet blend for a smooth transition from the base into the lock extensions. This is my favorite prep method. As I'm tightening the lock attachment, I'm going in at a vertical piercing angle. This closes up the gap and secures the install. As I'm attaching the lock extensions, I'm paying close attention to proper blending and part ratio, not adding too much bulk into the client's hair so that the extensions match the size of the natural locks as they grow out long term. Now, I always recommend regular routine maintenance so that I can monitor the hair and make sure it's locking properly, and receiving the necessary crochet maintenance as well. Upon evaluation, my client's hair type is resistant to locking with excessive frizz. So in his case, I do not recommend him going longer than 6 weeks without a crochet maintenance. However, there are times where a client can go longer without a crochet maintenance. Lifestyle, rate of new growth, and other hair habits are amongst the factors that go into making sure the hair locks properly into the extensions. As always, individual results may vary and personalized consultations are recommended for each client, so make sure you invest in a lock care loctician like the Loc Doctress who can make your lock journey a pleasant one. Book today on MaconStyles.com so you too can achieve your lock goals.